Dear students, in the last session, we have discussed about the measurement of precipitation with the different methods. Now, I shall discuss about design of rain gauge network. Rainfall records constitute the most important and fundamental data required for hydrological investigations. They are required for analyzing storms, fixing design flood, forecasting floods in river, reservoir regulation, etc. For all such studies and investigations, a well distributed network of rain gauge stations within the catchment is essential. To obtain reliable results, the various rain gauges should be evenly and uniformly distributed within a given catchment. Moreover, the total number of rain gauges installed within a given catchment area should neither be too many as to be costly nor should be too less as to give unreliable results. A network should be planned to yield a representative picture of the areal distribution of rainfall. Hence, there should be no concentration of gauges in heavy rainfall areas or at the cost of dry areas or vice versa. The minimum rain gauge density required for different types of catchments are as per the guidelines of World Meteorological Organizations are for flat regions of temperate Mediterranean and tropical zones. One station per 600 to 900 square kilometers for developed and developing countries. One station per 600 to 3000 square kilometers for countries with limited funds, population, communication. And the second is for mountainous regions of temperate Mediterranean Mediterranean and tropical zones. One station per 100 to 130 square kilometers for developed and developing countries. One station per 250 to 1000 square kilometers for countries with limited funds, population, communication. Third one is for arid or polar zones. One station per 1500 to 10,000 square kilometers. In India, the standard prescribed by a high-level committee on floods set by the Government of India recommends to establish minimum one station per 518 square kilometers. Optimum number of rain gauges. Statistics has been used in determining the optimum number of rain gauges required to be installed in a given catchment. The basis behind such statistical calculations is that a certain number of rain gauge stations are necessary to give average rainfall with a certain percentage of error, say 10%. If the allowable percentage error is more, lesser number of gauges would be required. Based upon this statistical principle, the optimum number of rain gauges n can be obtained by the formula. So, based upon this statistical principle, the optimum number of rain gauges can be obtained by the this procedure. You can refer this table. Thank you.